EB-3. It's available for generally persons with a bachelor's degree. EB-3 is for an employment-based green card that requires the process of PERM. PERM is the process of recruiting to show the United States government that there's no available U.S. citizen or U.S. permanent resident available and qualified to take this position. So in other words, there's a shortage for this position. The process of PERM is actually recruiting for the position. So advertisements must be made, and these advertisements that are answered, the applicants must be reviewed. If a person looks like they might be eligible or qualified, then the person must be interviewed. At the end of the required PERM amount of time, a PERM application must be made, and showing that there are no available U.S. citizen or green card workers are available or qualified for this position. So you need to keep a very careful log and keep track of everyone of your advertisements as well as everyone who's answered the ad and all of your recruitment activities. You need to keep careful paperwork and comply with the PERM laws. Upon successful approval of the PERM, then you go on to the I-140 stage. The I-140 stage is essentially proving the merits of the case. Again, you have to show that this person is eligible for the EB-3, so such as the person has a bachelor's degree, the permanently offered job duties require the equivalent of a U.S. bachelor's degree. And then the prevailing wage must be paid. What's the prevailing wage? It depends on the type of position, the job duties, and the location. And then, once the I-140 stage is approved, then you need to go to the adjustment of status stage. You might not be able to go to this stage right away, depending on what country you're from. As mentioned before, under the EB-1, EB-2, EB-3, EB-4, EB-5 stage, the government allots a certain amount of each category of green card. And then it's based upon by country. And if a certain country has exhausted their available green cards, they become backlogged. So countries such as India, China, Mexico, the Philippines might be backlogged. Other parts of the world might not be as backlogged. But once your priority date becomes current, then you can go on to the adjustment of status. And then you have to prove that you're admissible and that you have an approved I-140. Once this stage is complete, then you're going to be awarded a green card. And that's what the EB-3 is. If you think you might be eligible and interested in the EB-3, we encourage you to contact us. We can review your case, review your goals, and review your situation to determine if we think you have a strong case or not. We look forward to meeting you, and we look forward to representing you in your EB-3. Thank you.